boyfriend? You love him, Ella? Say love you, Thor. Say good puppy.
Say ow, ow, ow. Say ow, ow, ow. Good girl. There you go.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Come on.
Coda. It is 10 o'clock at night. Let's go. Inside. Come on.
My dog wanted fizzy soda and didn't know how to act.
He got used to it. Oh no.
Hey, what up, cuz? Look, can I help you find something? You look like you lost, nephew. You in the wrong hood. Ain't nothing but cats over here, homeboy. I would steal your collar, but you look like you'll call it one time. You might want to tip on out, cuz, and head back to your core. Somebody told me he was talking shit. Well, talk up, nigga.